Hey guys, this is Scott Isaacson, and today we're looking at the 2016 Malibu 22 MXZ Wakesetter. So notice the all black. You got your trailer here with the spare. So custom Malibu trailer. Nice tower, big bimini. So shade that covers majority of the cockpit. Guideposts for easy on and off the trailer. Now we'll take a look inside. So got these cool rear facing seats when you're hanging out. The Malibu surf gate and Power Wedge, and then you also have this awareness rear-facing camera. This boat has right at 100 hours. It's 98. Showing the bimini again. Got your wakeboard racks. We got the air dam in, so on a chilly day, close that. So when you come in, easy access to battery switch, which I turned to one of the batteries. Nice big glove box. And just a ton of seating. Sea deck flooring. It's a little wet, so it looks like it's dirty, but it's just drying. Great sound system. The Rockford Fosgate. Put in your code there. Got some amps, access to the storage, and then batteries down below. Got a nice storage area there. This can pop up. You can watch your rider. This boat's powered with the Monsoon 410. So you have kind of a storage tray there. Secondary ballast on each side. So again, this is a 2016 Malibu 22 MXZ. Good oversized mirror there. Place for your phone as well. It's a beauty. Again, Scott Isaacson with Marine Max Sail and Ski. I'm at the Lakeway location. My phone number is 512-450-8023. Feel free to give me a call about this boat. Again, 512-450-8023. Thanks.
Again, my name is Scott Isaacson with Marine Max Sail and Ski out here in Lakeway. We also have 2 other locations, one in Austin off Highway 183 and one down in San Antonio. If you're interested in this boat or any other boats, feel free to give me a call at 219-2712. Again, that's 512-219-2712. Thanks again.